This is our Raku Patina effect. Gonna start out using our pecan stain onto sunset pink. And so this is our denim ultimate stain. We're going in with antique copper ultimate paint, and see how that starts taking over those colors. It already looks so pretty. And we're gonna add a lot of our white gold ultimate paint. This is when we're gonna start soaking off and dabbing. So first I'm gonna soak off some of the extra, and then I'll start dabbing with a new paper towel. That's already looking so pretty. I'm actually gonna go back in and add in a little bit more of our pecan. I'm gonna do a little more of our sunset pink and a little more denim. This one works the best if you do this in layers, so you can really just keep on going and going with this one. Also gonna go in with a little more antique copper to really bring out that pottery effect. You can just really see it coming to life now. Okay, just gonna pull some of that away. And that's our Raku Patina effect.